Hey everybody! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because it's all about love and relationships. Who doesn't love love? So, stick around because I've got some fun and easy tips that you can use to really make that special someone feel loved and appreciated. Stay tuned for some amazing tips. Chapter 1. Start with the small things. Sometimes it's the little things that mean the most. It doesn't have to be some big, grand gesture. Just a simple good morning, beautiful text can totally make her day. Or maybe surprise her with her favorite coffee order. It's like saying, "Hey, I was thinking about you," and who doesn't love that? Remember those little details she mentions? Like that book she's been wanting to read or that new restaurant she wants to try? Write those down. Plus, it gives you some great ideas for future dates or gifts. And speaking of gifts, they don't have to be expensive either. It really is the thought that counts. Maybe pick up a bouquet of her favorite flowers at the grocery store or bake her favorite cookies. It's all about that personal touch, And while we're on the subject of personal touches, let's talk about compliments. Everyone loves a good compliment, right? So, tell her how beautiful she looks, especially if she seems like she put in extra effort that day. Remember, it's all about consistency. Make an effort to do these little things regularly, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your relationship. Chapter 2. The Power of Quality Time. Okay, let's talk about quality time. In our busy lives, it's so easy to get caught up in work, errands, and all the other things vying for our attention. But it's crucial to make time for each other, to really connect and focus on each other. Plan a special date night at least once a week, even if it's just staying in and watching a movie together. The important thing is that you're fully present, putting away your phones and giving each other your undivided attention. And here's a fun idea. Try something new together. It could be anything from taking a cooking class to going on a hike to trying out a new dance class. Shared experiences create lasting memories and strengthen your bond. Don't underestimate the power of physical touch either. Hold hands, cuddle on the couch, give each other back rubs. Physical affection releases endorphins and makes you both feel more connected and loved. The bottom line is, making time for each other and prioritizing your relationship is one of the most important ways to make her feel special and desired. 3. Speaking her love language. We all experience and express love in different ways. Have you ever heard of love languages? There are 5 main ones: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. And it's so important to understand your partner's love language so you can express your love in a way that they truly appreciate and understand. If her love language is words of affirmation, for example, she thrives on hearing those sweet nothings, those compliments and words of encouragement. Tell her how much you appreciate her, how beautiful she is, and how much she means to you. If her love language is acts of service, then actions really do speak louder than words. Do things around the house without being asked, run errands for her, or surprise her by cooking dinner. These acts of service show her that you care about her and want to make her life easier. Now, if she loves receiving gifts, it doesn't mean she's materialistic. It just means that thoughtful gifts, big or small, make her feel loved and appreciated. Pay attention to things she mentions wanting or needing, and surprise her with something special every now and then. The key is to figure out her primary love language and make an effort to speak it regularly. It's like learning her secret language of love. Chapter 4. Keep the romance alive. Now this is important. Never ever let the romance fade. But trust me, keeping the spark alive is essential for a happy and fulfilling relationship. Remember those early days of dating when you couldn't wait to see each other? Try to recapture that excitement by planning special dates, surprising each other with thoughtful gestures, and making an effort to keep things fresh and exciting. Write her love letters or leave her sweet notes where she'll find them. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a heartfelt message expressing your love and appreciation. Plan a romantic getaway, even if it's just for a night or two. A change of scenery and some quality time together can do wonders for your relationship. By putting in the effort to keep the romance alive, you'll create a love that lasts a lifetime. Chapter 5. Be her biggest cheerleader. One of the greatest gifts you can give your partner is your unwavering support. Be her biggest cheerleader, her rock, the one person she can always count on. Believe in her dreams and aspirations and encourage her to pursue her passions. Celebrate her successes, big or small, and be there to offer comfort and support during challenging times. Listen to her without judgment, offer a shoulder to cry on when she needs it, and remind her of her strength and resilience. Let her know that you're in her corner no matter what. Share your own dreams, fears, and insecurities. Opening up to each other on a deeper level strengthens your bond and creates a safe space for intimacy and trust. Be her safe haven, her confidant, her biggest fan. Chapter 6. Never stop dating her. Okay, this is my final tip, and it's a big one. Never stop dating her. Even if you've been together for years, it's so important to keep dating each other, to keep making an effort to woo and impress each other. Plan regular date nights, dress up for each other, and make an effort to keep things fresh and exciting. It's about showing her that you still value and prioritize your time together. Remember, relationships should be fun, so never stop dating, never stop flirting, and never stop making each other feel special. Chapter 7. The Gift of Listening. In a world filled with distractions, true listening has become a rare and precious gift. And it's one of the most powerful ways to make your partner feel heard, understood, and cherished. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and give her your undivided attention. Listen with your ears, your eyes, and your heart. Pay attention to her words, her body language, and her tone of voice. Ask clarifying questions, reflect back what you're hearing, and validate her feelings. Let her know that you're fully present and engaged in the conversation. It's about truly understanding her perspective, even if it's different from your own. When you truly listen to your partner, you create a deeper level of intimacy and connection. Chapter 8. Celebrate her uniqueness. You know what's truly special? Each and every one of us is unique, with our own quirks, passions, and perspectives. And in a relationship, it's so important to celebrate those differences, to appreciate what makes your partner so special and one of a kind. Encourage her to pursue her passions, even if they're different from your own. Show interest in her hobbies, listen to her talk about her dreams, and support her in her endeavors. Embrace her quirks and imperfections because those are the things that make her who she is. Don't try to change her or mold her into someone she's not. Instead, appreciate her for the amazing woman she already is. When you cherish your partner for who she truly is, you create a love that is genuine, authentic, and unshakable. Chapter 9. Small Gestures, Big Impact. Sometimes it's the smallest gestures that have the biggest impact. It's those little acts of kindness, those thoughtful surprises that show your partner how much you care. Leave her a sweet note on the bathroom mirror, surprise her with her favorite takeout after a long day, or draw her a warm bath with candles and essential oils. Offer to give her a back rub, make her breakfast in bed, or simply hold her hand while you're walking down the street. These small gestures may seem insignificant on their own, but together, they weave a tapestry of love, appreciation, and affection. So, make an effort to incorporate these small gestures into your daily routine, and watch your love grow stronger with each passing day. Chapter 10. Keep the communication flowing. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but it's so important that it bears repeating. Communication is key in any relationship, but especially in romantic relationships. Talk to each other. Share your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, your fears. Be open and honest with each other, even when it's difficult. And remember, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about talking, but also about listening. Really listen to what your partner has to say, without interrupting or getting defensive. Make an effort to understand her perspective, even if you don't agree with it. Remember, open, honest, and respectful communication is the foundation of a strong and healthy relationship. So there you have it, folks. A few simple yet powerful ways to make that special someone feel loved, appreciated, and desired. By putting in the effort to nurture your connection, you'll create a love that lasts a lifetime. Go out there and make those relationships amazing. See you next time.